Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel English over the mobile phone। मैं रविदित्य आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 English vocabulary words which will be very helpful for you to enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency। So let's start with the first word, beat. It means पीटना। The second word is punishment. It means सजा। The third word is bite. It means काटना। The fourth word is fly. It means उड़ना। The fifth word is good. It means अच्छा। The sixth word is wait. It means इंतजार करना। The seventh word is meet. It means मिलना। The eighth word is think. It means सोचना। The ninth word is throw. It means फेंकना। The 10th word is dance. It means नृत्य करना। The 11th word is send. It means भेजना। The 12th word is catch. It means पकड़ना। The 13th word is bath. It means नहाना। The 14th word is speed. It means थूकना। The 15th word is afraid. It means भयभीत होना। The 16th word is bend. It means झुकना। The 17th word is bright. It means चमकदार। The 18th word is bunch. It means गुच्छा। The 19th word is early. It means जल्दी। The 20th word is declare. It means घोषणा करना। The 21st word is quality. It means गुणवत्ता। The 22nd word is sympathy. It means सहानुभूति। The 23rd word is enough. It means पर्याप्त। The 24th word is therefore. It means इसलिए। The 25th and last word is worthless. It means बेकार। So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.